So I know last video I told you guys that I was going to be driving the Volkswagen around a lot more, and I apologize, I haven't been shooting with that car recently. A lot of stuff has happened last, couple weeks, last time I talked to you guys. I'm gonna get on the road, I'm gonna explain everything, but start off, you guys probably noticed the audio sounds way different. That's because I wanted to shoot this video and I had my audio recorder dropped off, or I had my GoPro dropped off, and no one knows where my audio recorder is, so I gotta find that.
Brother, this guy stinks!
So I'm gonna get on the road here and we could talk about why I am not driving the Volkswagen. So what's going on with the Volkswagen? For the last week now, I've been having to get dropped off at work because basically I had camping. I was camping for a couple days. I don't know when you guys are going to see this video, but yeah, I went camping for a couple days. I had my keys stowed away, and the house was cleaned, and in the midst of the house being cleaned, my keys, I believe, were fully misplaced, and my car's locked, so I can't go anywhere. It sucks, but it is what it is. Gotta rev it for the man. But yeah, it's a really crappy situation that I'm in. And it sucks because I promised you guys I really wanted to make the Volkswagen Rabbit videos, especially because it was pretty humbling to see that you guys actually really enjoyed the last one I made. I haven't made one in a while, and for me to post one and have it do better than pretty much all my Corvette videos so far was very humbling. It shows that a lot of you guys have been here from the start. And from, that car basically is what this channel is based off of. I started my channel with the Rabbit, and ever since I got the Corvette, I haven't been making videos on it. So to see you guys actually enjoy the Rabbit content irritates me, because I'm like, why the hell do you not want to watch a Corvette? But at the same time, it's very humbling, and I enjoy a lot that you guys miss that kind of content. But going off to the next point, the issue I'm having with my Corvette is, the Rabbit, is it doesn't have AC. And here in Connecticut, it's been very hot, very humid, and I can't have the windows open, because even with the windows being open, this GoPro that I have strapped on my head right now overheats all the time anyway, still. So it sucks. And if I were to make a Volkswagen Rabbit video, it would have to be a pretty short video. Like, I probably get like maybe 7 to 12 minutes worth of footage. So that's the other reason. But the main reason is I can't make a Volkswagen Rabbit video right now, even if I wanted to, because my car is currently locked and can't find the key. But as you guys also noticed, if you keep up with the channel, last I talked to you guys, I told you guys that the car was going in the shop to get the harmonic balancer changed, as long as a new crankshaft bolt and a new crankshaft seal. So obviously I'm happy to show you guys that all that has happened $1,000 later. But the car's running good. I've been driving it a lot the last couple days, and so far I have no complaints. The only other thing that I'm kind of irritated about, you guys can maybe hear it, is the clutch pedal squeak. My clutch pedal has been squeaking for, I want to say, a good couple months now. The clutch is fine, clutch works great, catches, everything slips perfectly. I think the pedal something needs to be lubed up, because it's been doing that. But other than that, man, this car has been running very, very strong. know I say this every video too, but I also want to really thank you guys for the support recently. You know, like I said with the Volkswagen Rabbit video, but also the shorts, man. I posted a short, I want to say 2 weeks ago, that randomly blew up. It's at like 125,000 views right now, and that's something I'm not used to. So I just really want to say thank you guys for all the support, man. It really, it gets me the motivation. If I post a video and it's not really getting any views, I think to myself, okay, well then why post any videos at all anymore? So thank you guys so much for the support. This car still grabs a whole bunch of attention, man. Oh, the other guy was like, oh, is that a C6? But yeah, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I like to keep it real with you. I haven't been in the best mood recently, and I can't tell you why. It's just, I don't know what it is. I haven't been motivated to make videos until I saw how good the short did, and I feels like I'm letting you guys down. So I don't want to also keep making a sappy, you know, sappy remarks like this, because I don't need any, I guess, pity. I don't need anything like that. I'm a full-grown adult, and I just need to get over it. And life gives you mountains, and you just gotta climb over them. You can either climb over those mountains or you can fall down, and even if you do fall down, you just get right back up. But I hope you guys do enjoy this POV content. Like I said, I'm sorry I don't have my recorder. The audio probably does not sound the best, but I promise next video, hopefully I should have my recorder, and depending on when I can get my car unlocked, you guys might see another Volkswagen Rabbit video. But yeah, I just want to make a quick little video for you guys. I feel like I owe it to you. I've been telling you guys, oh, I'm gonna post so much and this and that, and I just haven't been doing it, quite honestly. Even though this is completely separate from my home life, work has also been very stressful recently. I've been working a lot of overtime, a lot of no days off, and I'm primarily focused on my main job right now, YouTube. I want to be able to kind of balance out, so I'm going to try to make more videos. I always say I'm going to try to make more videos, but I'm serious, man. I'm going to try to make more videos, and I hope you guys keep loving this content. I love making it when I at least have time. And yeah, I think that's gonna be it for the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.